Today we're going to take a quick look at this smart battery charger brought to you by TowerTop. The company did send this over for me to check out to make this video for you. So let's take a look at what comes in the box, and then I'll turn it on and show you a little bit more about it. So first of all, you do get the main charger itself. So this is the box. It does plug into just a standard power outlet there, so you can see that. And then this cable here is going to be where you plug in one of these three adapters. So it has a cigarette lighter adapter, so you can plug that into there. So just yellow to yellow makes a lot of sense, makes it easy. You also have the clamps that you can plug in. So once again, just yellow to yellow. You can plug those right into there. And then you also have the terminal, little flat terminal cable connections that you can just plug into there as well. So either way, any way that you want to use it, you can definitely use it that way. And let's go ahead and take a look at this. So it is pretty small, compact. Even if you had to carry it around or keep it in your car, it's pretty easy to use. So I'm just going to turn it on. Once again, I'm not going to plug anything into the yellow piece. I just want to show you what the menu looks like and some of the settings here. So the first menu up here is amps. So you can see right in this little box that it's going to change from 15 to 25 to automatic, and then to standard, which will be like 3 amps, 15 amps. So you can cycle through those. Then you also have your battery type. So you got your standard AGM, gel, deep cycle. You have calcium and then lithium there. So you can cycle through one of those. You also have precise and standard mode, and the manuals are really good about going through that. So you do get a quick start guide and also a manual that's just going to explain everything in better and greater detail to you. You also have the recondition option. So recondition or desulfation, you have those as well. So those are two options for you. And then you do have DC power supply. So you can go to power supply, or it switches over to the cigarette lighter. And then you just need to make sure it's connected. And what I like is if you don't have something connected, it just tells you you don't have it connected. And then also the engine start aid here. So if I want to press that, it's going to say, hey, hold on, you don't have this connected. You got a faulty battery or something's not right. So pretty simple to use. So if you're looking for a nice smart battery charger, and this does have a lot of interesting features by reading through the manual of just like memory feature and things like that. So when you do use it, it will start to save those settings and kind of get the process of how you're using it down with those settings. So anyway, hope this gives you a good idea of what comes in the box and some of the basics.